Hello and welcome to another video on our YouTube channel. In this time, we're gonna talk about XAF and dashboard. So sometimes we want to show a dashboard in a different place that DevExpress. Here you have all the dashboard, but sometimes you need to go to a customer, to go to any place and show a dashboard over there. So we're gonna show you how you can put a dashboard in any place and filter this dashboard for the place that you are loading the dashboard. Okay, so let's take a look of this. I have here a customer, this one, and I want to show. We put here action, and I want to show a dashboard about this customer and the invoice that this customer has. So let me click here, and you're gonna see the information about this customer. How we did this. Let's do another invoice. Let's go to invoice, and let's do another invoice for the same person. Today, let me put the name. This is the name, and let's put just I use all the time in all the sample chocolate. is my is my favorite thing, two chocolates. Okay, so let me put another one. Milk, cheese. Okay, perfect. Three of this one. So I have this information. Let me save it to the same customer. If I go to customer and I go to this guy and I show the analysis, you're gonna see now that this guy have two invoice in different. This is from today, and this was the first time. And this is a comparison between amount and discount, but we don't have discount for this time. How we did this? Okay, the first things you have to do is go to the dashboard and create a dashboard. So let me show you this dashboard that have the information that I switch to designer, and you have to make the dashboard. Today we don't gonna make the dashboard, so the only thing that I want to say is that you have to put all the information you need, and you have to add to the dashboard a parameter. So we add here a parameter. It's no lookup. We put the name. This name you have to write it down because you need it. You need it in the application to to load this dashboard and filter for this information. So you have the customer ID. Here is just I keep it visible because I want to show you the information. But when you finish, you can take this off because you don't want the people change the ID. You just want to the application change the ID by default. So another thing that you have to take from here is the title. The title, because we need the title to call this data from the place that we're gonna put. So you create the dashboard, put a parameter, and this parameter can be integer, string, dates, anything you want. So, and then when you have this information, we can go and do it. Okay, so the first thing that we did here was create a controller, a view controller for the customer. If you see here, let me go back to here to the customer. If you see, we have here this analysis, this button here. This is a action that we create in a controller. So we create an action. This action put a name and everything. And here in the command, we just, what we did, we create a, we instance the dashboard type, create our origin space, and we look into this dashboard type for this name, invoice by customer. You remember that I told you that you needed the title for the dashboard. So here it is. And then we create a detail view pop-up and show this information. And we change a little the size because we want to see more. But this is all the code you need to show a dashboard. You go to the dashboard module and then you filter for the dashboard title. Okay, so now we have the information. But when we load this information, we create another controller that is a dashboard controller. Here you see a Blazor, in this case it's Blazor, and we use the is dashboard data. So when we open a dashboard, anywhere that we open a dashboard, this gonna pass from here and we gonna take this information here. So here is simple, it's very simple. We just have to customize the dashboard. So this is the idea. We ask for the control. This is just for, to prevent any error. And then we make a switch for the title. So you can have all your dashboard here, customer invoice, any dashboard that you want. And here you can put all of them. And when this dashboard came from here, we have this variable that is null by default. And the magic is here. We verify the main window. The main window is the window that call this window. So we go back and say, okay, the main window have a customer. I need this customer to have here. So if the customer is not null, I create a parameter. In this case, it's an integer because I need a integer parameter for the dashboard. But if you, I tell you again, if you need a string or you need another one, you can create a parameter string, and here the parameter you're gonna create a string. So the next things we did was to add this parameter to the dashboard state. You see, this dashboard state is this one that you have here. It's an instance of the dashboard state. So we add the parameter and we say the parameter name is customer ID, and I'm gonna put the parameter that I put here, and the type is integer. But if you have a day, you can put a day, you can put a string, anything. Okay. And the last thing is to get the information from the dashboard and put this state that you have changed now into the dashboard. So you have changed the state for the dashboard and you apply. And this is all that you need. Just one controller for at the bottom, the analysis button, and another one to add all the dashboard that you have, or it's gonna pass from here. And here you can put the parameters that you want. You can make any calculation here and put it, and then you're gonna open the dashboard with the information that you put. So if we go back to the here, you see that we have this customer, and we open this guy, and we have filtered the information. But if you click in the dashboard parameter, you're gonna see that we have the ID here. But you can hide the parameter if you don't want the people click or make something. So but we keep it here because we want you to see that the application send the parameter to the dashboard. So That's all for today. I hope this is helpful. Now you know how to pass parameter to the dashboard and run time anywhere. Thank you. See you in the next video.